Hey everyone, it's Jesse at EDS Strategy and EducateDemonstrateSale.com. And if you want to get some actionable sales tips, if you're a B2B sales professional, definitely join us May 24th, 10 Eastern. If you can't join us then, sign up, click the link on this video, and join us for a webinar I'm doing with SalesMate, where we're going to really talk about the Educate, Demonstrate, Sell approach and how to apply it in B2B sales settings. If you sell to organizations, profit, not-for-profit, it's so critical to stay focused when we are doing our outreach. And on this webinar, we're going to talk about the right mindset. We're going to talk about the right tools and talk about kind of the right strategies to approach your sales activities. So looking forward to seeing everyone at the webinar on the 24th, and see you in the comments. And if you can't join us, definitely register, and you'll get the link for the replay. So thanks so much. Talk to everyone soon.